Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here in my office / beauty room, aka the Diva Den as my family like to call it. And I have really let things slip in here, and I need to clean, declutter, organize, and just get this space back into some sort of working order. I've just let things slide since Christmas. I would do a lot of wrapping in here, things like that, bringing Christmas gifts in here to hide. So I have bags everywhere, and I have, it's a mess. So let me show you what I'm working with. So here's a quick look at my desk. It's an L-shaped glass one, and you can see there's just stuff everywhere. I'm trying to fix my nails, excuse my nails, and just everything is everywhere. And over there I have an IKEA shelf that I made over, which has a bunch of junk on it I have to organize and declutter. Stuff I have to put away. Over here, look at this, bags, stuff just everywhere. I do love these shelves. My husband helped me build those to hold my nail polish and lipsticks, but a lot of these are so old, I haven't used them in forever, so I want to declutter those. Just stuff here. Look at this, behind the door, all these bags, garbage I started the other day. I picked up some stuff from IKEA to help me organize. I want to get rid of this table. I use it to house some stuff. It's like an old TV stand, but it's just a catch-all, and it just takes up space there. So I want to get rid of it. As you can see, more bags over there. I took pictures down and stuff for Christmas. My old planner I can get rid of. Like, look at this, a bag clip. Should be in the kitchen. My IKEA shelf, I like to keep my makeup on there, but it's just not organized. I just have to clean up. Cords everywhere. So yeah, so this is the space I am going to be working on today, and just trying to get it more presentable. It's really this cabinet here I really want to work on and get rid of, get it taken out of here. But it's a gloomy, snowy, rainy day here, so I figured perfect day to do it. So let's get going. So I'm going to first tackle getting rid of this TV stand out of my office. It's just a catch-all for things, and it'll serve a better use down in the basement. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clean it out and then move it right out of the room. Now I'm going to tackle this little bookcase that is from IKEA. And again, it's just become a catch-all for a lot of things. So I decided to clear everything off. And these baskets I also got from IKEA the day before, and they are made to fit right in this. So I think they'll serve the purpose very well. It'll hide some stuff that I don't necessarily want everybody to see, or not everybody, just me, because I'm the only one that comes in this office, but it'll be just nice to look at other things. Now I'm going to declutter and throw out some of my old nail polishes. Some of these I've had for years and I don't really wear, so it's time to get rid of them. So once I had cleared off the shelf and given it a dusting, I thought I'd try it on the other wall to see how it would look, but I really didn't like it, so I moved it back. Then I moved on to my desktop and gave it a good declutter and threw things out, and then a nice wipe down with some glass cleaner. I hope this is helping to give you some motivation to maybe tackle a project in your house. So why not grab a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and let's get to this and let's clean up our spaces together.
Okay, so this was hilarious. I decided that I might put some contact paper on the top shelf just to give it a bit of a different look and keep it a little cleaner. But as you can see, I really struggled with putting this, attaching it to the top of the glass. It just kept sticking, it wouldn't sit straight, but I finally got it done and it looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm crazy about it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. It'll serve the purpose for now, but at least it's easy to take off if I don't like it down the road. So once everything was back in place and cleaned up, it was time to give the room a quick vacuum, and then everything was done, and I am loving the way it all turned out. So here is my office, beauty room all done. I'm going to take you on a quick tour, but it looks so much better. I love that I don't have that TV stand there anymore. It'll just make more sense down there. This is that special plug that I got for Christmas. It's pretty useful, so I like that it's accessible there. And now I'll just give you a quick view. There's all my makeup that's been decluttered and stuff thrown out. I still have to clean my makeup brushes, but I think this looks much better. And then my desk area and the little shelving unit here looks so much better. So let me show you what I did. Starting over here, I decluttered my nail polish, and that looks much better. I didn't really touch any of my lipsticks because I had already done that. So these are a lot of the ones that I use anyways, so. But that looks much better. I shopped my home for here and just brought a couple things in from other rooms that I like. So I put those there. So I put this letter holder here to hold some of my notebooks here. And I moved this container over here, and this holds like my nail stuff. Let me show you. So in the top drawer I have stuff for doing my nails, my nail files and all that stuff, cream. And then in the second drawer, it's just some miscellaneous stuff. I kept these in here in case I need to use them, in case my system isn't working. And then on the bottom is just more miscellaneous. Oops. It's just my trimmer and some extra cotton balls. So that's good. So in here I put all my Bath and Body Works. Lotions, candles, extra candles, and the hand soaps. So I just put those in there. And this just has all my camera stuff, all my extra stuff. You can't really see it because it's all black, but it's in there. So that's really nice to have it all in one spot now. I think that looks so much better, so much cleaner. I moved these two pictures over here. I just like the way it fills up the wall. My word board. This is my, if you didn't watch my 2020 planning, these are my words, with the ultimate word being joy for the year. So that's the way this all looks. I'm really pleased with it. And now for my desk, which looks so much better. I moved the flowers to here because I just like them on my desk from over on the bookshelf thing. My computer with the mat. My voiceover, I just kept that there because I do use it quite often. I kept this wreath up because I just like to have the green on it. I'm not sure if I need something over here on the wall. I didn't like the, I tried the pictures that I had over on the other wall, but I didn't like them there. But I just like the green here, so I kept it there. My makeup mirror, just my pens and my paper clips, and of course my candle, Bath and Body Works candle for now. I like the marble contact paper here. I want to try it and see how it works, just keep something a little cleaner. And then of course, just some of my notebooks that I need. And that just gives me much more working space, so I love it. But now I'll show you the mess that I'm dealing with that's still left to do. Is out here. I still have to move all this, throw stuff out, give stuff away. So yeah, big job still out here, but that was all in my office and I'm so happy it's out. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to tackle a job that maybe you've been putting off for a while. I'm really loving my space. I think it looks so much better. It feels so much better to get all that stuff out. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm really loving what I've done so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until I see you next time in my next one, I hope you have a fabulous week. Cheers!
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, so it's hard to